Hello viewers, today I show you this cream, Miss Lucy whitening cream, and this cream both of use boys and girls. This cream actually use in the face and neck. Two side is work one cream, and this cream use only for 7 days. Then you have successful and beautiful your face. So I show you this one a cream, and you have this cream have menu page description, so no problem, you can use you can buy, you use this menu book and you use is possible. This cream no side effect and no any allergy, no any dark no any problem for your skin. And this one useful for 18 plus must be. If you understand, you can read Arabic, and if you understand English, it must be you understand this one and follow this description. And this cream available in whitepluscream.com. And this one cream, see, is a very good product, is from Egypt. And you see this one for clothes, every time if you buy this one must be follow up this okay, so it's no problem, you can buy, and it's very good product for face and neck. Is a 100% work, and some customer and use after I showed you in the YouTube. So if you want to question this cream, if you buy this cream, please log on to whitepluscream.com. Thank you.